You need to hear this if you're a wildlife enthusiast. The return of the dire wolf, a creature of legend. These magnificent beasts once roamed the vast expanses of North America, capturing the imagination of anyone who has ever heard their story. Their presence was a testament to the wild and untamed nature of the Pleistocene epoch. They stalked the plains and forests of North America during the Pleistocene epoch. This was a time when the world was a very different place, dominated by ice ages and massive glaciers. The dire wolves were perfectly adapted to this harsh environment, thriving where few other creatures could. Larger than their modern grey wolf cousins, these apex predators were masters of their domain. With powerful jaws and a robust build, they could take down prey much larger than themselves. Their social structure and pack dynamics were sophisticated, allowing them to hunt efficiently and effectively. For thousands of years they thrived. Their packs roamed the land, their howls echoing through the valleys and forests. They were an integral part of the ecosystem, keeping the balance of nature in check. Then, about 10,000 years ago, they vanished. Climate change, competition, the reasons for their disappearance are still debated among scientists. Some believe it was due to the warming climate at the end of the last ice age, while others think it was competition with humans and other predators. We don't know for sure. The mystery of their extinction continues to puzzle researchers. What we do know is that their absence had a profound impact on the environment, but their disappearance left a void in our planet's ecosystem. The balance they once maintained was disrupted, leading to changes that are still felt today. The loss of such a key species is a reminder of the delicate interplay of life on Earth. Now imagine a world where these magnificent creatures roam the Earth once more. This isn't science fiction. Advances in genetic technology have brought us to the brink of a new era, where the possibility of de-extinction is becoming a reality. This is the promise and the peril of de-extinction. While the idea of bringing back the dire wolf is thrilling, it also raises ethical and ecological questions. Can we truly recreate the past? And if we can, should we? The answers to these questions will shape the future of our relationship with the natural world. Resurrecting giants, the science of de-extinction. The idea of bringing back extinct animals might seem like something out of Jurassic Park. The concept has fascinated scientists and the public alike for decades, sparking imaginations and debates about the possibilities and ethical implications. But unlike the movies, we're not talking about recreating dinosaurs from fossilized DNA. Instead, the focus is on species that have more recently disappeared from our planet, making the task somewhat more feasible with today's technology. Instead, scientists are focusing on more recently extinct animals like the dire wolf. These creatures roamed North America during the last ice age and have captured the interest of researchers due to their relatively recent extinction and the availability of well-preserved genetic material. The key to this scientific resurrection is a revolutionary gene editing technology called CRISPR. This tool has transformed the field of genetics, allowing for unprecedented precision in editing the DNA of living organisms. CRISPR allows scientists to make precise changes to an organism's DNA. By targeting specific genes, researchers can effectively rewrite the genetic code, potentially bringing back traits and characteristics of extinct species. In the case of the dire wolf, scientists would use CRISPR to edit the genome of its closest living relative, the grey wolf, to match that of its extinct ancestor. This process involves identifying and altering the genes responsible for the dire wolf's unique traits, such as its size, strength, and distinctive features. While the science is still in its early stages, the potential implications are vast. Successfully bringing back an extinct species could revolutionize our understanding of genetics, evolution, and conservation. It also raises important ethical questions about the role of humans in altering the natural world. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, the science of de-extinction offers both incredible opportunities and significant challenges. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring fascination with the mysteries of life on Earth. Colossal Biosciences, a new era of creation. Leading the charge in de-extinction is Colossal Biosciences. This company, co-founded by geneticist George Church and entrepreneur Ben Lamb, is dedicated to using cutting-edge technology to address some of the planet's most pressing conservation challenges. Their mission goes beyond merely bringing back extinct species. Colossal aims to create functional ecosystems by reintroducing these animals into their former habitats. Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, echoes of the Pleistocene. These names might sound like they belong to myth and legend, but they are very much a part of our present reality. The Pleistocene epoch, often referred to as the Ice Age, was a time when dire wolves roamed the earth alongside mammoths and saber-toothed cats. These magnificent creatures, with their powerful builds and keen hunting instincts, were apex predators of their time. But as the climate changed and human populations grew, the dire wolves, like many other megafauna, vanished into the annals of history. Colossal's most ambitious project to date is the resurrection of the dire wolf. This groundbreaking endeavor involves extracting ancient DNA from well-preserved fossils and combining it with the genetic material of modern wolves. The process is meticulous and requires cutting-edge technology and expertise. Scientists work tirelessly, examining every strand of DNA, ensuring that the genetic blueprint of the dire wolf is as accurate as possible. Imagine a pack of these majestic creatures, their thick fur coats the color of midnight, their eyes glowing in the twilight. This isn't a fantasy. It's a vision of the future that is rapidly becoming a reality. The reintroduction of the dire wolf into our ecosystems could have profound implications. These wolves could help control overpopulated prey species, restore natural balances, and even reshape the landscapes they inhabit. Romulus and Remus, the first dire wolf pups born in over 10,000 years, are living proof that de-extinction is no longer a pipe dream. And they're not alone. These pups represent the dawn of a new era where science and nature converge to bring back what was once lost. Their playful antics and curious nature are a testament to the success of this ambitious project. Khaleesi, a playful female pup, recently joined them. Her arrival marks another milestone in this journey. Each new pup born is a step closer to a thriving population of dire wolves. These young wolves are not just scientific achievements, they are living, breathing symbols of hope and resilience. These are not merely replicas of their ancestors, they are a testament to the power of genetic engineering. Through the dedication and ingenuity of scientists, the echoes of the Pleistocene are being heard once more. The dire wolves are back, and with them a piece of our planet's ancient past is reborn. The prospect of bringing back extinct animals raises profound ethical questions. Are we, as humans, overstepping our bounds? Are we playing God by manipulating the very fabric of life? Some argue that de-extinction is an arrogant attempt to rewrite history. Others see it as a moral imperative, a chance to atone for past environmental sins. The debate is complex, with no easy answers. Ecological Roulette: Unforeseen Consequences and Cascading Effects. Introducing a long-extinct species into a modern ecosystem is a gamble with unpredictable consequences. Will the dire wolf's return disrupt existing food chains? Could it introduce new diseases? What if it becomes an invasive species? These are just a few of the potential risks that scientists are grappling with. The law of unintended consequences looms large, reminding us that even the best intentions can have unforeseen and potentially disastrous outcomes. The potential of dire wolves, restoring balance or disrupting ecosystems. Proponents of de-extinction argue that bringing back the dire wolf could have significant ecological benefits. They point out that the dire wolf's extinction created a void in the North American ecosystem. Its return, they argue, could help to regulate prey populations and restore balance to these fragile environments. Imagine vast herds of elk and bison, their numbers kept in check by the return of their ancient predator. Beyond dire wolves, the future of de-extinction. The de-extinction of the dire wolf is just the tip of the iceberg. Scientists are already exploring the possibility of bringing back other extinct species, from the woolly mammoth to the passenger pigeon. Imagine a world where these creatures once again roam the earth, their presence enriching our planet's biodiversity. The future of conservation may lie not just in protecting the species we have left, but in resurrecting those we have lost. A new dawn for conservation, or a Pandora's box? The resurrection of the dire wolf is a watershed moment. It forces us to confront fundamental questions about our relationship with nature, the limits of science, and the ethics of manipulating life itself. Is this the dawn of a new era for conservation, where we use technology to heal the wounds we have inflicted on the planet? Or are we opening a Pandora's box, unleashing unforeseen consequences that could forever alter the course of life on Earth? Only time will tell. Will